Hello everybody. I know it has been a minute since the last time I posted, so I'm gonna take you guys through the entire process of silk screen printing. Um, Everything's being done at home because I literally just quit my full-time job. I had the money to invest in myself and I'm gonna do it, and this is what I really want to do. So if you come here and you decide to stay and support me, I appreciate it. Um, if you want to see my portfolio, it's on my website. It'll be in the link below, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is what I got for you guys to see so far, and I'll be explaining everything throughout the video. So thank you for tuning in. Appreciate you. So for so for this part of the process, you want to take each color of your artwork and put them onto their own, basically like a black ink layer. So pink is gonna have its own purple, yellow, dark green, light green, and brown. I took the, what is this called? And then you're gonna right click on that, and then you're gonna go layer via copy, and then boom, that's gonna be copied. And you want to make this black, so you want to take out all the saturation. There's probably an easier way to do this, but I just press black and white, and then I bring all the colors down. I know there's an easier way to do this, but this is just how I've been doing it. And then that's gonna be your layer of pink or magenta, whatever color you make. So you're gonna do that process for each color. The reason why I have this background color is because that's the color of the t-shirt. I just wanted to see how it would look. So I did that for each color. I did that for purple, yellow. So as you can see, let me delete the one I just did. We have brown, which is the bottom, right? And then we have light green, dark green, yellow, lilac, and magenta. And what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna print them on translucent papers, and that's gonna go onto the screens, burn onto the screens, and that's how you're gonna pull the color through those screens. So I forgot to mention earlier, but the size of your artwork, you want it to be the exact same size your print is gonna be. So as you can see here, my image size is 13.48 by 14.5, and we're going by inches. So if you want to change it to, inches. So in this portion, I'm mixing up the colors I need for each frame. I just kind of eyeballed it, but I definitely recommend using the generator online. That'll take the colors you need and put them as a Pantone color, and then you can measure it exactly by the weight and use a little scale. Definitely recommend that. This took me a minute, so do that. And here's the screen burning process. This is where we're gonna put that black image on the screen and burn it into the screen. Bada bing, bada boom. This is me, I guess, waiting for the screen. I don't know why I included that. Also, you want to time the amount of time that your screen is burning. I think I did like 9 minutes. But the box where I got the light for it said how much. And these are the screens that have the ink. And here I am inking the t-shirt. So I don't know why, but there is definitely a simpler way of doing this. This is like low cost, right? Like I didn't have the means to get every single tool possible. So I basically got each little, sorry, I forgot the word, each little registration marks, and I basically lined up each frame with the registration marks, and then I, ran the ink through it. So in my experience, I had to clean my frames about every 3 t-shirts. I just took them to the back, hosed them off, because the ink was just kind of getting flooded on the frames. This is something I'm still working on, but yeah, here's the process. I'll speed it up for you guys. And here's the shirt all finished. I'm just taking off the registration mark paper, and I'm gonna take out this board that I used to keep the t-shirt flat. You need one of those if you're gonna do this. But yeah, there's the finished t-shirt. I will take the L that these are vertically recorded, but I made hand braided bracelets with glass leaves that were attached to the t-shirts by an orchid charm. So as you can see in this video, my dad's taking it off of the orchid charm and putting on the bracelet. It was just like a really cool touch, and I'm gonna do that with all of my t-shirts. They're gonna have a bracelet that matches attached. So yeah, this is how the collection turned out. I'm stuttering because I'm just hyped, man. Thank you guys so much for the support. It's sold out, but you know, future drops are coming. Thank you for watching the video. Here's my reaction to the drop. 5 minutes. I'm really nervous. I don't know why. This is, I don't know. This is just, you know, my first time dropping apparel, so I guess it's just really like this is what's gonna tell me if I'm doing good, I guess. Or like, you know, I worked really hard on all of it, so this is like the moment that can, like, you know, all the hard work pays off, or what happens. So every single time I drop something on my website though, I get so nervous because I just like, I know how many hours I put into things, and like, you know, I just, obviously everybody wants like whatever they make to do well, so yeah. I'm just gonna let it keep rolling. But yeah.